Hi, how's it going? I'm going to answer a question about moving out of an apartment. What should you do? How apartment complexes typically rip you off, and pretty much anywhere that you rent. This is a good frame of mind. Even rental cars, anything like that that you don't own, that you're just renting for a short amount of time. In a down economy, I was reading about it, it is a ton of money for rental companies to assess damages. And typically, they're about $1,000 because most people have a $500 deductible. So the insurance pays $500, you pay $500 out of pocket. Anything, $2,000, $3,000, usually you will hire an attorney for. And so they don't charge you those amounts. It's pretty interesting, but it's kind of scary. So what should you do? Well, first time you rent anything, including your apartment, if you're leasing your apartment, cars, anything like that, take pictures. That's the only way you can guarantee that you rented something and it looked a certain way when you return it. So number one thing is take pictures because pictures enable you to present your side of the story without being biased. I mean, sure, you take the pictures, but anybody can look at it, a judge can look at it, and analyze what the car looked like, what condition it was in when you received the car. The same goes for when you return it. Take pictures. Again, when you're moving out of your apartment, go around and take pictures of everything. All right, that way you don't get assessed for pet damage, all of these other things. If you're a management company and you own the buildings, what do? Take pictures. And I mean, I'm telling you this like it's something that you should do, but I'm just actually educating you on why pictures are important in these cases, and it's up to you whether or not you choose to do it. But if you take pictures, you're replacing carpet, pull out the carpet, take pictures of the bottom of the carpet, take them from above. If you're the tenant, you can't do that because it's called committing waste. You're damaging the property in order to assess the property. So you can't do that, but you can take pictures of worn areas that you see, of tiles that look like they're coming up, because landlords in a down economy will get you to pay for the renovations. What can you do if you didn't take pictures and now you're being assessed damages? Well, ask for their pictures. If they haven't taken pictures of it, how can they prove it? I mean, they're going to have someone go on and say, oh yeah, well, in my opinion, it needed to be replaced. It's biased, because it's the property manager of the building, so it's very easy to impeach that. Worst case scenario, you can just settle something in the middle, but be pretty adamant. If you get a lawyer, pay him a couple $100 to write a letter to the property management company. Tell them that they're misrepresenting repairs, and if it comes from a lawyer and not from you, they will take it much more seriously. In one of my cases that I had, wrote a letter, I sent it to the property management company. They send this blanket letter back that says, we're sorry, you are still, we believe your client is still liable for all damages. I did a follow-up call to the manager. The manager said, yeah, we got your letter, and actually we'll just go ahead and drop all of those if you let us keep the $100 security deposit that you already have with us. So paying $100 to get out of a $1,000, $1,200 case, awesome. Great turnaround. Doesn't waste a lot of your time. It's a simple letter for us, but it comes on an attorney letterhead, and that's more powerful than any argument you can come up with. So that's how you can help not get ripped off by people that you just lease or borrow things from.